Hey guys, welcome to another day in the shop. It's Friday afternoon and I'm Fred. Anyways, just a recap of what we did last week. I made these bushings to go on the end of these Schedule 40 legs. So I thought, you know what, make it quick and simple, down and dirty, whatever you want to call it. Weld a 1-inch nut to the top and be done with it. I didn't like the idea. After thinking about it for a few hours, sat in the house there just with paper, I decided, whoopsie, I'd make a bushing. So what I did is, yeah, this is a down and dirty bushing too. This is a coupling for 1-inch all thread. All I did was turn down the hex, cleaned it up, measure the size. It's 1.80, 1 or whatever anyways, and same with the depth of the bushing. I put a little lip on there, so that bushing is going to sit in there like that. I wanted it this way because I thought with the nut being just on top, the legs would start to, you know, jiggle around. So I opted this way with the all thread coupling, turned it down, and I'll get more rigidity with the legs being in there, not wallowing out with the nut on the top. So anyways, what we're going to do today is we're going to weld this thing in here. I'm going to clean all these surfaces up with some acetone because I got it just loaded with oil. Anyway, so when I get the welder all set up, we'll come back. Okay guys, I got the welder set up. I'm just going to fuse these things together. Give it a little bead around the outside here. So bear with me. Okay guys, let me just get the cool off, and I'll show you the end result here. Where's my wire brush there? Oh, that's really hot. So I'm going to get the rest of them done and we'll come back. So guys, we're back. I've got all these welded up. I'll just give you a close-up. So I've just put a fusion tack or weld all the way around there. I've chamfered the edges, right? So machine the front face to make them nice and clean because I got to put the nut up against there. So now we're in the phase where we're actually going to weld it to the end here. So let me get the welder set up, and then we'll put a couple tacks here, rotate it around, and then start welding. Hang in there. Okay guys, I'm going to throw a couple tacks in here. Where's the old TIG finger? Yep, need that. I'm going to crank the amperage up on that a little bit. Another inch. Okay guys, so here, this is all I've done is I've done just a small fusion weld here. Not a big deal. I don't really need to do a filler because the weight is on the bottom, so I'm going to leave it as is. Oh, there's one little hole I got to fill in, but other than that, it's fine, and that'll hold. So yeah, I'm going to get the rest of them all set up, and when I'm all done, we'll come back. Hey guys, so I've got the two legs mounted now, both on plumb on all four sides. So the next part will be to get the other two legs in. So guys, I'm gonna call it the night. Got all these inserts welded in. I'll give you a close-up. Hang in there. So yeah, I've just fusion tacked or welded all those around there and around here. I'm not really worried about putting some filler rod because the weight's going to be on top of this or pushing against this. So I've got the other one's done. That one's still a little warm. So yeah, so it's coming along pretty good. I got the bottoms tacked in now, and tomorrow I'll put a bead around here, get it all tightened up. I don't know if I'm going to put any cross members in or not. Anyways, and then we'll get the threaded rod cut, and mount those big yellow 1,000-pound casters. All right, guys. So that'll be it for the update, and hopefully tomorrow, it's Saturday, and I'll be able to get the other legs on. So stay tuned. All right. Bye for now.